In this video, you'll learn how to use the Claude Code API in Python. This guide will walk you through the initial setup, acquiring your API key, and writing a basic Python script to interact with the API. Begin by ensuring that Python is installed on your system. Open your command line interface and type Python is installed. It will display the version number. If nothing appears, you will need to install Python from the official website. Next, you need to install the requests library, which is essential for making HTTP calls in Python. In your command line, type pip install requests and press enter. The system will download and install the library. Once this process completes, you can confirm the installation by checking for any error messages. Now navigate to the Claude Code platform. If you do not have an account, sign up. If you already have an account, log in. Once logged in, locate the option to generate your API key. This key is critical, as you will need it to authenticate your requests. Make sure to store this key securely, as you will reference it in your code later. After obtaining your API key, open your preferred code editor and create a new Python file. Start by importing the requests library by adding the line import requests. Next, declare a variable for your API key, replacing your _API_ key with the actual key you generated. Set the API endpoint URL to https://api.ca.tod.ai/code. You will now need to define the payload for your request. Create a dictionary named payload that includes your desired prompt, such as create a Python function that reverses a string along with the language and maximum tokens. Following that, construct the headers for your request, ensuring to include the author horizon header with the format bearer.api_keys, and set the content type to applications/JSON. Once your payload and headers are set, you can send the request to the API using requests.post, passing the URL, the payload as JSON, and the headers. After sending the request, capture the response and convert it to JSON format. Finally, print the generated code by accessing the appropriate field in the response data. To run your script, return to your command line and type python claude_test.py. This command will execute your script, sending the prompt to the Claude Code API and returning the generated code based on your request. You could also modify the prompt in the payload to perform various tasks, such as generating code snippets, refactoring code, or creating tests. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.